Welcome to a new episode 38 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we will be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 19. Today, we will be going through question 3. Okay, just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Pat set up a store to sell her band's concert tickets. She sold 4 tickets for $25. After selling 35% of the tickets, she realized that the tickets were rather popular. Hence, she decided to increase the selling price of the remaining tickets. The tickets were now sold at 2 for $15 instead. After selling 60% of the remaining tickets, Pat decided to raise the price again. The tickets were sold at 1 for $10 now. She collected $3,085 from the sales of all the tickets. How many tickets did Pat sell altogether? Similarly to the question 1, we are going to have a simplified diagram of the question. So all the tickets, right? The first 35% was being sold at 4 for $25. Then the remaining amount will be 65% because 100 minus 35 gives you 65. Then the remaining 65%, 60% were being sold at 2 for $15, or you can convert it to 4 for $30. Whereas the remaining of this amount, right, which is the 40% of the 65%, are sold at 1 for $10 or 4 for $40. The main reason why we convert all the units to 4, right, is to make sure that the number of units is actually coherent throughout. This will make our calculation a lot easier. Okay, so we have explained what's the scenario of the question. We'll start doing the question. So similarly to the previous episode, we are going to calculate every unit. Okay, over here it's more complex because it's there is a few different percentage over here. Okay, so every unit, right, we have 3.5% earns $25. Therefore, the amount earned will be 0.35 times 25, which will give us 8.75. Next will be 6% of the remaining 6.5% earns $30. Therefore, it will be equal to 0.6 times 0.65 times $40. 8 times $30. This will give us 1.7. Okay, then there's one more unit, which is 4% of 6.5% earns $40. Therefore, we'll get 0.4 times 0.65 times $40, and it will give us 10.4%. Okay, so basically, drawing a similar diagram as what we have done just now, as in the previous episode. Okay, so there's this 3.5% and there's this 6.5%. Okay, meaning this 6.5% is then divided into the 4% and 6%. Therefore, this the 3.5%, we'll be earning $25 for 4 tickets. Then in this 6% of the remaining 6.5%, we are earning $30 for 4 tickets. Then in the remaining 4% of the 6.5%, 4% of the 6.5%, which means the times, it's not plus or anything. Okay, so 4% of the 6.5%, we are earning $40 for 4 tickets. Okay, so this will be one unit. We just divide it into different segments to calculate one particular unit over here. Okay, so after that, we calculate the total. which will be equals to 8.75 plus 1.7 plus 10.4, 30.85. So one particular of this unit equals to 30.85. Okay, then the number of such units will be equals to 3085 divided by 30.85, and this will give us 100 units. Just a coincidence lah, okay? The numbers actually become very nice. Then the number of tickets will be equals to 4 times 100, which gives us 400. Okay, because we actually made the unit to be 4 over here, so therefore we can just say it's 4 times 100. If the number is not nice over here, you realize that you need to convert it back, which means that the number of units, right, you need to further break down into different parts to calculate different parts number of tickets. So it'll be more complex over there. So we actually opt for easier method. Okay, so the answer is actually 400 for question 3 of worksheet 19. There's 2 more questions available. This is question 2 and this is question 1. Question 1, the answer will be 300 card cases. Question 2, it will be 100 jackets. Okay, if you need a solution for question 1, feel free to browse our channel for the previous episode. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging math questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!